Hi everyone, here at Core Fabrics we receive a lot of questions about interfacing. It's one of those sewing essentials that really make a difference in your finished projects. Whether you're sewing a crisp button-up shirt, a flowy wrap dress, a tailored jacket, or even a stretchy knit garment, interfacing plays a key role in getting those beautiful, professional-looking results. So let's break it down. What exactly is interfacing, how to use it, and how to pick the right one for your project. First, let's dive into the purpose of interfacing. Think of interfacing as your fabric's secret ingredient for adding structure and stability. It supports your garment at those crucial structural points, ensuring everything looks sharp and polished. It helps create those crisp edges and corners we all love, and it also prevents things like necklines from sagging. You'll typically find interfacing in collars, plackets, cuffs, and facings. For most sewing projects, you'll need to stabilize small areas, but for certain garments like jackets, you might need to interface larger pieces like the entire front of the coat. This is especially important for loose weave fabrics and tailoring materials like wool coating and suiting because interfacing helps prevent stretching in high-stress areas like armscye and hems. Now, there are many types of interfacing out there, each with their own unique features, including weight, color, structure, and fusibility. While some interfacings require sewing in, the majority of modern options are fusible. That means that they come with a layer of glue dots on one side, which you can melt with an iron to bond the interfacing to your main fabric. If you've had frustrating experiences with fusible interfacing in the past, know that it has come a long way in the last decade. And here at Core Fabrics, we only stock high-quality fusibles that have all been tested in-house. Now, let's not forget about non-fusible interfacings. They definitely have their place, especially in classic tailoring and couture applications. You can also use any stable woven fabric as sew-in interfacing, like cotton muslin, poplin, and light canvas or flannel. Just baste it in place before sewing with your final seams. And we should specifically mention silk organza, which is a lightweight, breathable fabric that adds structure and stability without weighing down your garment, so it's a favorite in couture sewing. We also love horsehair canvas, which gives that supple yet stable support to coats and jackets, especially in key areas like in the bust and the shoulders. Now let's talk about interfacing weights. One key rule to remember is to match your weight of your interfacing to the weight of your fabric. Lightweight interfacing is your go-to for drapey projects such as viscose, silk, or lightweight cotton voile or batiste. It offers just the right amount of support without overwhelming this delicate nature of these fabrics. Mid-weight interfacing is perfect for waistbands, for jeans, tailoring applications, and other mid-weight fabrics. It strikes a balance between support and flexibility, giving you the structure you need without being too rigid. And heavyweight interfacing is designed to significantly stiffen the fabric. This type is ideal for hat brims, bags, and any project that requires strong shape retention. Next, let's explore the different types of interfacing weaves: non-woven, woven, and knit. Each has its own unique purpose, and understanding these will help you choose the right one for your project. Non-woven interfacing is created from fibers bonded together without any weaving or knitting, making it quite stable and resistant to shrinking when washed. It can sometimes feel a little bit like paper, so our main tip is to ensure it isn't too stiff for your specific project. Next, woven interfacing, on the other end, mimics the weave and the drape of fabric, providing the stability and the structure of an additional layer of woven fabric in your project. It's a great choice when you want to maintain the integrity of your design. Knit interfacing is built for stretch, making it ideal for fabrics that require flexibility and movement while still needing a little bit of stability. Use it for knits, of course, but also for stretch wovens and areas like jean waistbands where you want that comfortable give. Finally, weft interfacing features threads woven through knit stitches, offering stability along both grain lines while allowing the main fabric to drape. This makes it an excellent choice for tailoring applications like coats or jackets. In terms of sustainability, most interfacings are made out of polyester, which is not a sustainable material, but at Core Fabrics we offer a full line of recycled interfacings, which allows us to keep virgin polyester out of the supply chain. Now let's talk about how to apply interfacing. To achieve a strong bond between your interfacing and fabric, it's important to use sufficient heat and steam to melt the glue properly. Skipping this step can lead to frustrating bubbling later on, so always take the time to test on scraps first. Some fabrics, especially those with uneven textures, can be a bit tricky to fuse, but we've got a few tips. Make sure to pre-wash, pre-shrink, and press the fabric before applying fusible interfacing. Never use interfacing to wrinkled fabric, as this can create a messy situation. All the interfacing we offer are pre-shrunk, but some other interfacings may require pre-washing. If needed, gently hand wash your interfacing in lukewarm water and hang it to dry. Use a press cloth such as silk organza or a lightweight cotton to protect both your iron and your fabric. When it's time to interface, set your iron to medium or high temperature. Cotton fabrics can tolerate higher temperatures, but it's safer to stick to medium heat for more delicate fabrics like viscose. Place your fabric pieces with the wrong side facing up and lay your interfacing glue side down against the main fabric. Use a pressing cloth to avoid transferring glue to your iron. Press down firmly for about 10 seconds, adding a bit of steam if necessary. Lift and move your iron to the next spot rather than sliding it across the fabric, as this can distort and stretch your material. Finally, let the fabric cool before moving it from the iron board to ensure the glue sets and your interfacing stays secure. And that's it. I hope this clears up all your interfacing questions. If you have any tips to share or further questions, please let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Hope you have a great week and get some time to sew.